I leased a car in 2024 and my insurance is so high it was a mistake. What do I do? Hi, I'm Desmond Fambrini. I'm a learning specialist that has absolutely no qualifications to give you financial advice. I am now going to be giving you financial advice. You do not have to listen. So when it comes to cars, it's very interesting because cars are by far the worst investment you will ever make. Cars depreciate in value. The longer you have a car, the least expensive it gets. You start with a car that is $60,000, you drive it for 5 years, that $60,000 car is now worth $20,000. Houses, on the other hand, tend to appreciate in value. Gold tends to appreciate in value. The stock market tends to appreciate about 10.5% every year. It appreciates. You buy it and the value goes up. Cars, one of the biggest depreciating assets. In fact, it's not considered an asset. Since it depreciates, a car is considered a liability. Do you buy a car or do you lease a car? It depends on the situation. Leasing is very attractive in the way that you pay a certain amount a month and you get a very fancy, shiny new car, but that car isn't actually yours. And you have very, very high insurance on it. A lot of the times for a lot of people, it is better to simply buy a car that is much less expensive. I make an okay amount of money, all things considered. I was given a car by my mom and my aunts when I was 17. I drive the same car. It is a 2002 Toyota Celica because it is paid off. The only thing that would ever make me want to reconsider and get a new car, possibly lease a car, is because when you own your own business and you lease a car under that business, you could write it off as a tax deductible. So if you do own your own business and you want to be able to basically write off the amount of money you're paying for the car, saying, oh, it's your business car, not pay taxes on that, then you would want to lease the car for 2 years. Other than that, I would probably stay away from leasing unless you own your own LLC or company, like an S Corp or a C Corp. Otherwise, you would want to save up for the down payment and buy the car or public transit. Again, cars are one of the biggest liabilities. They waste money. They depreciate in value so quickly. You buy a new car, you drive that thing off the lot, you already lost about like half of its value because now it is a used car. I kind of go with David Ramsey's kind of opinion on this, which is you do not get a new car unless you have $1 million in the bank. I do not, so I am not ever getting a new car. I'm not going to lease a car unless it's under my business. And until my car breaks down, I'm going to simply keep it. Now, if you do find yourself leasing a car that you shouldn't have leased, it sucks a little bit. But remember, you can break the lease with a penalty, or you can stick it out and make sure to never make that mistake again, because everyone makes mistakes. I hope this helps.